Hey guys, Terry Hay here again from Shock Treatment. We're back in the machine room. Really love having a lathe and a mill and all the other components. Basically makes life easy for us. We deal with a lot of unusual things, and some of the parts that we deal with aren't available as a separate piece, and so occasionally a component will come in that's damaged and we have to make a new one. But as easy as these things make life, we can soon make things a little bit easier again. If we've got some awkward parts, here is a spring collar that I'm going to have to machine. And because I'm going to have to machine this collar, I made up a little part that will allow me to align this in the chuck so much easier. Now, we could just put this in the jaws and we could put parallels behind it, and that will keep that component nice and square. But the parallels make it hard to actually get the spacing that you might require from the chuck face. And so we see a lot of people actually using the drill chuck to basically line parts up and get them square. But something like this has got a massive hole in it. Our drill chuck's not going to help us. So I made this piece ages ago, and basically it just engages into the drill chuck, and that gives me a parallel surface that I can match up to. But once again, this piece is too small for that actual component. So I've just machined up a new piece. Okay, this one's a little over 80 millimeters in diameter, and I can effectively plug this in, snug it into the drill chuck, bring it up, snap the component into place. A little bit of a nip there. And our part is beautifully square, ready to machine. And now, I've never seen this before, but here's the deal. I know I'm not the smartest guy on this planet, and I don't doubt that people have been making these sorts of things for a long time. But it was just something I thought of, and I thought if it was good for me, it would probably be good for you. So for all you avid machinists out there, make up a couple of these in different sizes and they'll really help you with your part alignment. Okay, thank you.